Welcome to low sodium Meat Tenderizer and Marinade. The 16th video on my channel, we make a barbecue sauce that is really, really good. 1 tablespoon has 3.35 milligrams of sodium. I have 3 tablespoons in here, right at 10 milligrams of sodium. Adolf has a sodium-free marinade. Now they want you to use the whole thing. You don't need to, unless you're going to do a lot of meat. I'm just going to put like a teaspoon or 2. And with the barbecue sauce, stir it up and put it on top of the meat. Some folks just don't like the taste of barbecue sauce. Box sodium-free beef bouillon at my grocery store and at Walmart. You mix a little bit of this up with a little bit of water. You can put some of this in here. It'll tenderize it, flavor the meat without the barbecue flavor. So whatever works for you is what you should do. I want the flavor to go all the way into the meat. So what I've always done is taken a fork and just poke holes all over it, turn it over, poke holes on the other side. Then I found, and I don't know what it's called, but this little guy, and when I squeeze it on the meat, all these little needles come out. I can tenderize it quick. So I do one side with it, flip it over, with the barbecue sauce drained in the pan. Make sure I've got it on both sides. Let it sit in the refrigerator for a day, and it is so good on the grill. The meat has natural sodium in it. We can't take it out. We just have to count it. But we're only going to add 10 to it. Lots and lots of flavor. And anytime I can lower the sodium by using mixtures like this instead of store-bought, that's what I'm going to do. Sometimes a sirloin steak is tender without doing anything to it. Sometimes it's not. And I don't want to take that chance. I do like meat that's grilled outside, and this is going to be right nice to have. Please subscribe to my channel. Click on the little bell and you'll be notified when I put a new little recipe or tip out there. I'll be posting several every month. See you in the next one.